Going live in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and lift off. What's going on, guys? What's going on? What's up? My name is Great BTC, and I would like to welcome you guys to another live stream. If you're just joining us, the rules are the same, guys. Destroy the like button. And today we're going to discuss the live trading sessions, and also I want to take a long-term overview on Bitcoin, or at least maybe a medium-term overview, which will help us to make decisions on our current trades and what's about to come. Also some interesting news in the world of Bitcoin and crypto based on what's happening right now. And I see you guys super fired up in the chats. I'm also going to give $50 as always to a like streamer on the stream. So let's get it going. Drop your flags in the comments right now. Let's see which country, which part of the world you're representing. I am from the big A myself, but currently I am in Brazil, and it's beautiful out here, a sunny day. And this is an incredible live stream that I've been looking forward to, and then I'll go out for a gym session, guys. So thank you everybody who is in here, coming in. The first person on the stream, who was it today? Sam Water, congratulations. I'll give you $20 in Bitcoin. Please drop your wallet address right here, right now. Let me pin this just to make sure that I don't forget. Mr. Ibrahim, are you on the stream? Okay, I'm gonna pin it. Pin message. Sam Water got $20 for being the first one in the stream. For the rest, guys, destroy the like button. Let's get this movement going right now. So I'll switch on. Let's get down to business. Looking at CoinGecko, the first place we definitely want to look at what's going on in the market, where is the money being made, and so on and so forth, guys, right? All right, so this is CoinGecko right now. We're looking at different prices. Oh, it's noisy here. The helicopters are going through. Okay, so BTC at 42,600. Not really that surprising. And if you remember, I told you guys, even when we were pumping, I said, hey, I'm still scared to jump on Bitcoin because it felt like a fake pump. And this time around, it seemed like my intuition was right on that one. You know, experience pays sometimes. So I didn't buy in, and now I'm looking at 42K, good levels to start accumulating all the way down as far as we can go. And also, there is really some interesting news here before we even get started with the technical stuff. There is here, the UK tax authority makes first NFT seizure in VAT fraud case. So there are people who have been using NFTs to pretty much evade tax. This is kind of a popular thing. If you're in the NFT space, you know what it is. That's why some NFTs are very, very expensive, because people use them as a way to evade tax. They mint their own NFTs and buy their own NFTs using a different address, or they use it to launder money sometimes. So when you see some of these NFTs being so expensive, don't think that people really want them all the time. Some of it is really like some fiduciary, some dodgy activities going on in the space, guys, all right? So this is the UK, and if you're playing those kind of games, you gotta be careful out there, because Uncle Sam's gonna come for you, just like the Queen is coming for the money of whoever was playing this kind of games, guys. All right. Okay, let's see who else is here. Tanzania in the house. Man, Niger as always, of course. Timothy is in the house. Sweden, Cameroon, South Africa, Italy, Italia. What's going on, guys? Are you eating some pizza over there? Let me just go down on Instagram Live as well. Yo, did you guys watch the Super Bowl last night? That was insane, guys, right? A lot of crypto stuff going on, and it was like a historical moment for like hip hop and the Super Bowl, you know? Looking at the whole crew, Eminem, Dr. Dre, Snoop Dogg playing over there, and the crypto ads everywhere. In fact, that takes us to our second piece of news today, right? Super Bowl 2022. Super Bowl 2022, here is the scoreboard of crypto ads. Major crypto businesses, including FTX, eToro, Crypto.com, and Coinbase, debuted crypto ads at Super Bowl 2022. By the way, wait. Is eToro a crypto company? That's a scam, man. This is a mistake. Telegraph, fix yourself. eToro is a scam app, if you ask me. It's not a crypto app. To all you guys on Instagram, we're live on YouTube right now. Make sure you join us. You're missing out if you're on here because you cannot see my screen. All right, so Coinbase, guys, gave away $15 to everybody who was there at the time. So the ad that Coinbase did was literally a QR code on the screen, and it was just changing into different colors. I think that was clever as hell. So this was their tweet at the time. Now that we have your attention, we would like to announce that we're giving away $15 in BTC to anyone who joins Coinbase by 2:15. So if you join Coinbase by 2:15, today is the 14th of February. You still have time. If you're in the US, you haven't signed up on Coinbase, make sure you join Coinbase right now. If you have family and friends that want to get started with crypto, make sure you send them a link, my link to Coinbase. They would get $15 for free money. So this was the ad that Coinbase had. It was simply this QR code. Changing colors was insane in the membrane. Okay, what else? FTX Super Bowl commercial, yeah, that was insane as well. These guys gave away 7.54 Bitcoin. And this has also been quite insane. So free Bitcoin to people who attended and who did where they were supposed to do. So somebody here says check SEC news on BlockFi. Okay, let's look it up. SEC BlockFi. And by the way, I do use BlockFi again. I stopped, then I started again. SEC BlockFi. Thank you for that heads up, by the way. Whoa! Oh my gosh, guys. BlockFi agrees to pay $100 million in penalties. Let me show you this. Bring it on the screen here. Yeah, I mean, the US, man, the US government comes for you. You know, that's the problem. Yo, Milton, what's good, man? I'm sure you sent me a DM, and I'll tell Ibrahim to actually reach out to you. BlockFi agrees to pay $100 million in penalties and pursue registration of its crypto lending product. Company also agrees to attempt to bring its business into compliance with the Investment Company Act of 1940 within 16 days. Okay, so basically, if you know the whole story about BlockFi, it's a company that allows you to pretty much it's a crypto interest bank, put it that way. So you put your crypto in the BlockFi wallet, and in that, what happens is that you gain interest on your Bitcoin, which is fantastic. You can earn up to 5 to 15% on different crypto assets, and it's good. But because it's a new business, there is currently no regulation of regulating those kind of businesses because they're already international in nature. So the SEC do not really have a comprehensive crypto regulation standard. So companies start off, if you start a company today and then they come to you tomorrow, what are you going to say to them? It's like, yo, I just started a company. If you have a problem, we can pay you the $100 million. So these guys paid the 100 mil, but then they were also ordered to now register, which is a good thing. It means now they'll be the first one to actually get this done, being innovative. So I don't know if I should be scared for using BlockFi, but just know that now it's going to become super regulated. Too much KYC, too many questions asked. So maybe it's time to not put too much money into BlockFi right now. All right, so the task here, guys, is to look into the Bitcoin chart. I want to do a long-term horizon analysis so that we can be pretty much having an idea of what kind of plays to make. So I see here, Tech is asking, I want to join Crypto University. Okay, let me help you with that quickly. So this video, guys, is here to tell you, to remind you about, let me just actually go to the website here directly. University Network. Okay, this is my long-term chart. Where's the long-term? This is the long-term BTC chart. Yeah, here we go. This is what I was looking for, right? So I'll show you guys exactly where we stand and the reason why you should be saving your charts and not using the new one every time. I will show you exactly how to do that. But first, we have the live trading webinar, the live trading session where me and 20 people go live on Zoom and I teach them how to trade live. I do trades, live trades, literally using real money, doing derivatives, leverage, live on a Zoom session. You guys will be able to ask questions and comment in, and we have 4 different traders live together with 4 different break rooms. So if you join us, you'll be able to learn and ask questions. This is the live event. Where is that? Okay, this is it. Live trading session in February 2022. This is the 24th of Feb. It's going down, guys. Before that, we have a free webinar also with Major Dreams, who is an artist from for Puerto Rico. He's an NFT artist from Puerto Rico. He will be with us hosting a free webinar session on the 17th of Feb. Make sure you guys join in, okay? If you want to be part of the trading session, make sure you go in here and register for the live trading session. 20 people maximum, and make sure you don't miss out, especially if you're a beginner, you have never traded before, or you're struggling. Come and watch us do it live, all right? Anyway, moving on, guys. We out here. This is my long-term chart, and the only thing we need to know right now is right here. So I'm going to completely zoom out. I haven't updated this chart for a while, okay? So simply by zooming out, you can see where we do stand in the market. Like, we're below all these critical areas, right? These are all like old stuff that I drew long ago, okay? And I'm bringing it all back. So the last time I updated this chart like this was back in Feb 2021, basically. Insane. The market has been crazy. So I'm going to start expanding on these critical areas. And look at how beautiful that chart is. Like, you can see the connection between the last level, the next level it touched, and now we are also approaching the same level. This is why I say that trading is like music. You know, it rhymes. Especially technical analysis, it's pretty much looking for the obvious, right? And you can all see it playing out in front of us. And I'm also going to extend this one. Basically, these are areas that are of critical importance, or critical areas in our trading on a Bitcoin chart, right? That is level 2, and looking at level 3. So what this means, guys, is that we're pretty much below, we're pretty much under the knife on all these critical levels. And the situation is to look for breakouts among all of these levels. And all you should know at this point is that each one of these moments, man, my chart is pretty much screwed up. I don't know why it even looks like this. Let me switch to log. Much better. Okay, wow. So all those green lines you're looking at are pretty much historical critical areas in price, and we're just trying to now match with where we are at today. Okay, so we are somewhere here, and oh my gosh, my chart is tripping. Let me actually just open a new one right here. Okay, yeah, this is a much better Bitcoin chart. Okay, what's happening in the crypto world? Everyone seems to be dipping every day. Look, don't worry. So if you simply just look at the chart, right? I have 4 different moving averages. This is a lot more simpler to explain. I have 4 different moving averages, and we have the shorter term moving average and the quick moving average. This is the 50. Sorry, the 10 and the 50 have already been broken up. We're just looking at 100 and 200 EMA here. You can see that we have a long way to go before we get there, but we have already broken down the first 2 moving averages with a strong bullish candle, and Nitro's bull on the daily is still bullish. So everything that's going on right now is pretty much a retrace, which you can see and catch it on the 4 hour. Where is that? So Arsenal fans enjoy soccer says, please, I want to join Crypto University, just need to know how to trade on future only and to be a member. How much is it cost? I'll show you. Let me just finish explaining this. So on the 4 hour, guys, you can see that the retrace we're looking at right now, it's a most obvious expected result if we had to face a retracement. So I'm also going to pull a line from back in the day from the previous support levels, and you will see that it's going to play out with right now. So check this out. This is why technical analysis is sexy, right? Look at all this sideways movement over here. It happened, right? This range. And we crashed, we started moving up, and then we tried to break out. We didn't actually break out, because if I expand this line, you can see that it was a fake breakout, and then now we're sort of back into the same range that we were before. So this is nothing than a consolidation, and we should still expect a breakout on Bitcoin, especially when we hit this level. Do you see this red dotted line over here? This is 46,000. Once we break above 46,000, we can now explode into 52K, and my long positions are still waiting somewhere around that range. But for now, let's accumulate some Bitcoin on the low. If it crashes, no problem, easy money. Just like we made a lot of money when it crashed down to the 30K, we bought the dip, we didn't panic, the same thing could play out again. So somebody who asked how to join Crypto University, let me show you. You go to cryptouniversity.network, it's the website. We have a lot of things going on in the website, but don't let that get you confused. And we also have a discount code. If you want to buy something, just use discount code TRADE, T-R-A-D-E. You get 5% in discount immediately. All right. So once you get here, you go to courses, all courses. If you're in Instagram, come to YouTube. Otherwise, you cannot see my screen. Amigo or Amiga. All right, so once you get here, you simply have different courses you're looking at. And we have the Trading Mastery course if you just want to learn how to trade purely, and that's it. Focus on this one. If you want to do investing, like investment strategies, ideas, building a portfolio, how to de-risk yourself, how to look for yield, how to look for passive income, sort of generating yield on your own crypto, you can use the investment mastery, because that's where all the DeFi and the decentralized stuff is going on. Even the BlockFi I was talking about. I was talking about BlockFi back in the day with my community. It's all in here. If you're an absolute beginner, get with the basics, just get with the basics course. That's how you get started. And we also have an NFT course. If you want to focus on NFT, just get in the NFT course. If you want to automate your trades with robots, get into the crypto automated trading course. We also give you free 30 bots that we already created. You just really shoot them up, get them started already. We show you how to set it up also as well. Hello from Nairobi, Kenya. This is my friend Kennedy. What's going on, sir? We also have free courses, by the way. Crypto University is not all about paid members. If you go, you can find free courses there where you can learn blockchain fundamentals and other things. And if you want to book me for a session, a one-on-one with you, you can also book me from here, or a monthly mentorship, okay? And all these experts here, Alex, Edward, if you want them to coach you, you guys know them from the group as well. They will help you effectively, right? So that's that. And then just moving forward in the altcoin side of things. So I'm not really going to do every altcoin, but I can just look at the altcoin index on FTX. So this is altcoin index, perpetual futures. And futures are definitely the way to go. If you have very little capital, you want to start with Spot, of course, to learn the tools. But if you have $100 to your name, if you have $100 to trade with, there's no way you're going to make money with spot trading. You have to really learn how to derivative trade, but not with so much leverage, right? So this is what we're looking at on the daily. The daily for us on the perpetual futures looks like this on the altcoin. Definitely altcoin are not really bullish right now. They're not really the smartest thing to play. You have to stick to BTC just in case we continue dipping down. But I'm looking at the volumes, but in the altcoin index, falling out, seems like a lot more people are moving out and moving into BTC. Or we can look at BTC.D. You also see that this has been in the rise. The Bitcoin dominance against altcoin has been increasing, which means a lot more people have been selling the altcoins for BTC for safety. So as long as we want to play the game, stay safe out there, guys. Stick to BTC until oh my gosh, BTC dominance is like 43%. now, right? So I would say we could get up to like 44 or 45%. Once we get there, you're better off moving over into the altcoins, okay? If you don't know what all this means, guys, it's all in my trading course, right? The Bitcoin dominance, how to look for a certain type of data to make decisions, it's all in there. Just get in the crew, join the gang, and you will learn. It's that simple. Okay. Yo, to all the hustlers, man, welcome, everybody. Check out about FHM protocol. It's a DeFi protocol that has much potential. Okay, I'll check it out. Sam Water, where is your Bitcoin address? I want to send you some Bitcoin you want, but you're nowhere to be seen, brother. What happened to you? All right, if you want to get anything from Crypto University, use the discount code TRADE. You'll get 5% discount. Andronic says, Jumbo, yo, what's going on? To the band. That's what people here say in Brazil. Cryptechnology is in the house. Cryptechnology, are you gonna be in Dubai or what? You have to be real with me, bro. Are you gonna join me or not? If you don't know, guys, I will be speaking at Meta Week in Dubai, a big blockchain event. I'm also going to be speaking for Binance at Blockchain Week in Dubai in March. So make sure you get your tickets. Meta Week, Blockchain Week. Let's go and enjoy, guys. How is Brazil? Brazil is insane. I don't even know where to start. Like, I showed so much crazy content in the last few days, which I will post on my personal channel or the vlogs. So make sure you go and subscribe to my personal channel. Link is in the description. Like, the things we did in the last 48 hours is crazy. So yeah, I will be uploading there very soon. Just make sure you check it out. All right, yeah, so I just wanted to give you guys an update that, yo, make sure you join the live trading seminar, the webinar. We only need 20 people. You guys go and register for that right now. Otherwise, you'll miss out. If you really want to learn how to trade, this is a life-changing hour. Most people it's 2 hours of trading live together. People who have joined this, if you ask them, they'll tell you that, yo, man, this is exactly what you need. So Media Archive says, great BTC, Meta Week and Blockchain Week. Yes, Blockchain Week and Meta Week. I will be there. Greetings, everybody. This is Omeji joining us in the chat. Echu King, Ghana in the house. What's going on, Echu? How do you plan long positions on altcoin for BTC breakouts? Do you use previous price action history on both the alt and BTC and plan that way? Diamond Thief, thank you. That's a very good question. So what I do, I use Bitcoin as the signal and also the dominance. So basically on shorts, it's a little bit easier, but it's harder because it's less than a second you have to make that decision, you know? So you have like, when Bitcoin falls, everything falls, but that happens within like milliseconds. So you want to make sure you can catch the Bitcoin fall before it triggers the altcoins. I've been thinking of ways to do it. I'm now just developing a robot to sort of do it for me. The problem is latency. That's the time between you execute the trade or you get the data feed from the exchanges or the trading view to the time that your trade is executed. That time, you know, the lapse of that time is a risk. So it is doable manually. I mean, for when it's not so volatile, when it's slower, like right now what's going on, BTC slowly falling, it's a little bit easier to take shorts on altcoins and expect it to materialize over time, you know. But yeah, those are the things we talk about in the live trading sessions. So I recommend that you join in and we talk about it. I need to have free courses for now. Who is this? Let me read your question. Sibangile says, I need to have free courses for now so that I can learn to make money. I need the tools and impress how you develop women. Okay, yeah. We have a pure course that is for free for women only. So if you're a woman, you want to get into blockchain and crypto, be sure you go to cryptouniversity.network, register for the free women's course, and invite more women too. We need more women in this space, guys. It's insane that we don't really have a lot more women in crypto, but If you go to in Africa, you'll see that there's a lot more women on the ground using Bitcoin for their businesses. If you're an OTC trader, you know this. Like if you do P2P in Africa, you know this. But in other realms like blockchain entirely, it's still pretty much male dominated, and we need to keep it balanced, to create a much better community and a much better world. So all the women, go to Crypto University, join in. Nazmi says, greetings, my man Gray. Yo, what's going on, sir? Crypto Future Soldier. Nitrous Bull. What about Nitrous Bull? Nitrous Bull, one day. So crazy, man. Your indicator is awesome. Yeah, for sure. Thank you so much. Yeah, that is the easiest indicator you can use to make trades if you're not really you don't have time to trade, or you just like, you don't really like to deal with all the technical stuff. You can really just follow Nitrous Bull. How does it work? Let me show you on my screen. Go to indicators and CU Nitrous Bull Optimus Prime. Okay, this is it. It shows you all these signals: bull, bear, bull, bear, bull, bear. Whenever you see bull, it means it's a good opportunity to buy. Whenever you see bear, it's a good opportunity to sell. So on the Bitcoin dominance is in a bullish trend right now, which means Bitcoin is still going to rise more likely than altcoins. That's what it means. Okay, and whenever you see a bear on the Bitcoin dominance, it means that you can also know that it's time for you to go altcoins. Like here, check this out. On Bitcoin dominance, the Nitrous Bull went bearish. Pew! Immediately, the market started, Bitcoin dominance started going down, which means Bitcoin price is crashing, altcoins are rising. You can also use this on a Bitcoin chart or on altcoins. This is a Matic chart that I'm about to show you. You can also add Nitrous Bull over here. There you go. Like Matic on a 4-hour is bearish, and I'm waiting for a bullish candle. As easy as that. All right. So yeah, guys, let me go get me some food. It's been a long day, and it's hot out here in Brazil. Hey, you all told me how to think like this. Exactly, bro. You gotta think like a trader, man. That's exactly what it is. To all the hustlers, we gotta think like hustlers. In and out. We wanna make money in Bitcoin, but we wanna use all the other tools in crypto to grow the bag and keep it pumping. Destroy the like button, guys. Is the Nitrous Bull for futures or spot? It is for both. It works for Bitcoin, for all the altcoins, for even Forex. The thing though is that I recommend using Nitrous Bull on longer term trades. If you're using, don't use it on a 1 minute, for example. It's not that effective. Use it for like 4 hours and daily. Those are insane time frames that it works effectively, very, very well. And you never go wrong with that. You can't go. The ratio of winning trades is just so high if you're using it 4 hour, daily, and more. Okay. But obviously you can use it on the, I use it for the short term when I'm like sniping on the, on intraday. I use the resistance and support, because if you're trading, let's say on a 1 minute or 5 minutes, you don't really always have the time to do advanced technical analysis. You're literally just looking at the ranges. So looking at these red lines and the green lines, it helps me to find entries and exits, like support, resistance, and just go in and out. And I recommend you guys to get this too. Go to cryptouniversity.network, and once you get there, you just scroll down a little bit on the homepage. You'll see Nitrous Bull there. You get some, and you're gonna have it just like how it looks in my chart. I'm hungry. I haven't had food the whole day, literally. So let me get back to business. Let me get back to life and eating. Happy Valentine's to everybody. I'm doing this crypto shit too much that I forget that there is Valentine's out there, and unfortunately I don't have Valentine's myself, so wish me luck. I'm just gonna stick to trading. They say stick to what you know. So I'll stick to my charts for now, but I wish you guys all the best. It's a special day, and enjoy with your loved ones, man. Take them out for dinner, buy them good things. These are memorable moments. If you're a real trader, you should be able to treat your man or your husband, your man or your girl. Because, I mean, what's the point of making all this money? And if you really want to change someone's life on Valentine's Day, Instead of buying them flowers that are going to wilt tomorrow, buy them a course at Crypto University. You know, those guys, that you might not be together forever, but they will remember you for that gift. That, hey man, she gave me this course at Crypto University, it changed my life. Or he gave me this course from Crypto University, it made me a millionaire. How can somebody ever forget you when you make them a millionaire, guys? You know. So enjoy, and I'll see you guys on the moon for sure. Great to the B to the T to the C, signing out. Peace, ladies and gentlemen.